heavy. What you had an Himalayan, like what was the experience?
Xpulse is good for off-road, better than in the...
Si porthos na siya nuwa nito. Sige iyo pang lebo. Oho. Nuwa niya. Well, hello there, citizens of the internet. Ngasi ano mo bike mo pare? That is the all new Xpulse V4 with some little bit of modification. Na the modification to graba bike ne ba ko? Ash, yai ne. Acha. Oho. Oh, no idea. Kanda one it. I did like Duke na naked ni na ko Duke ka compare to ka di magi shock absorption se. No idea. Like potholes kumbadi am like fazana response to it. To. Oh, do no resiki mahau se aha. Sina mahau man ni ha. Nice, very nice. Initial pickup the thoidok no wow the heavy are like compared to Duke. Look high pitch talk pa khang na ba Duke ka compared to ye nga se ba ko. Duke ka compared to ye ka na Duke ta gidi yam tina yam sa khara di handare pickup se ka initial pickup se adaga nungai ba na ma gear shift se khara tele ten mani nungai gear shift se short oi bani na ne yam nungai shift to ba da first second power di nungai re adaga fifth gear ga yosala adika wa gear se muk sang to e moi ge kano ma kai do no kang de khitang adom na delay why na si kano ge off road ki di ash yo to like absorbs like very easily just to aha engine se ge ha special upgrade har ga di kano oil air me valve upgrade to se ka valve ti fazana upgrade moi na 4 valve sijinar ba handa ki di adana pickup ta ki kai da gi performance ti fazana henga la do ga torque su henga le adaga horsepower su henga le the specs ti yam kum na din na roi as usual like kano da dum yeng bi ro but I give a feel do nang ye khena ba do khang ga de isa na decide gari lai ba kan se decide to ngam na ba ka magi cockpit se visibility se ingo da visibility it's average have tare ab no ai la gear shift indicator ya re ngang ba kan ko initial pickup se kano yam to normally ke tare yam shon ba dom to we like magi rawness amadi yaw iwa rap dom to we ko. Let's go back again. Ago vibration si lai di karam di lai di karam da yam tin di improve the oil. Handles with the handles di da verdi came the people ngamaroi hai video handles si magi modify to kre modify to se kayam sang ko le to bo do mapu da hang ase adoga sigi modification di authorized kano na te adoga sigi se looks enhance adoga rally ko thokan do ko karo to hon ba ya khoi gi track ki haina su lei ba ko adu da upgrade to su ya another some certain amount payment or track kit su upgrade to we hai ta ado ai ge di like potholes ko madi phazana absorb to bre shock se like Himalayan gumbasu adventure ka compare tawragadi Himalayan hoi voi kano lumbani na ko kitang Himalayan city like honestly ching da khui lekhom leinang thokuma mafam da phutara leiba gumba thokragadi yamna kano tawi ko ching da ka thokot paganda yamna lumbagi thanok thangjing tawraga su yam wabada adugi problem ma lei adu sigi adugi potodi sidadi lairaro thau consumption ki hargadi thau consumption ni hadi bo videos dum laibane khoi ki brother Jui na like testograbane like he travels somewhere around 70 kilometer plus I think with just 1 liter of petrol. So like that's really wonderful. Ngak pane khoi su ngak pane magi fuel efficiency ka and si por hos ka siya nuwa nito si dai ju pam khlai bo job 1000 baidi ka top speed ki haradi masi bike si ay sum video tay yeng bada like almost 118 gumbadi hit tawa male si bike se 118 20 gumbadi hit tawre lambi lei ba lei tawa khangtre koi 1000 la. Like I really love to take this bike on like off-road ko ching mang da thau bu yam nwai ni ba si de pa me bo adagi asai da wo kha ma ga ma gi body ke structure kamai to no upgrade ke to no do ha pe yeng minar se go braking si su braking se ko kitang improve to ba ai anh sai speed to ka na magi bike se kitang watt per kinom to we kari sijina ba do horen kari yeng ase ka duke the viper sijina e adagi nissin sijina na ra karam sijina na yeng se ka brembo gan ta tre su yeng khangdri yeng ga khangani ado punch ki bike hadi magi bike ti duke thau ga si thau bu de mo ka anti ken are sidi yam so le ha tare ka. Okay, there's this Mr. Talk, the owner. Okay, so that's Mr. Talk. This is his bike, and thanks to Mr. Talk for handing me his bike for the test ride. Magi show channel lai bine ko maya magi show do magi sigi off road ke ka chatpa koi ba saba dum yeng noi bine it's just that mayam na channel do khangna dri yam kana khangna dri bai wa khata ne ko like content ti dum phaja bine magi show noi bine khoi di jaking khang bi dre seat chi so like yam noi cushion phaja no oi ra ko to ma le pa thau gi ba sidi ko adu magi se handle position sa kitang maning handle mal le tang mamang sa khala de lepa ka na comfortable kitang oi ba wa le ba ko je ma on no hen hai bi ta re mama sa da di yaram so ai di khang de ai gi oi na di nuai kitang kana to how do you feel? Awesome, very good. Yeng asi but ngang ba na hele like punch ti late ba ko adu na so like so I think off-road to ka na this bike deserves a slipper clutch over rev to na ba ko acha gear short gear ratio like wonderful very nice. Braking is okay like pa ba ki sang to tang improve to ba yai na khale comfortable zo ere my handle se wang khat bani na ka sidi phana sang na la Guwahati like Ladakh yo ga di sin na di am chi na nuara ne power di khawale ne but good news is like Hero se 400 Xpulse se introduce to ra ba male moi se launch to di rise me ta de ba ko like lak ti la ani 400 lani mayam da sungai biro len and I hope for the best. Price range di kay di yeng ka di like it deserves like magi value for money di oy si ki bike se like plus I hope 400 ta su oy gani like top end di si bike se ya top end pa su magi kick se ka ado initial pickup ta ya ta ba honestly hai zo hai tar ga di ka side ngak pak tàu ra ka magi cái nó yeng asi okay hojik mayam like quick walk around ama yeng asi ka walk around sida cái magi posture fi bam hana ki khena ba khot pa yeng je adu thoidok na khena ba di u de khena ba di u de just that like magi si kitang si gi upgrade su tawe upgrade se ngak le ra ka ma ga su yeng utana je ka adu magi brakes se brake caliper. What brand is this brake caliper? It's blank, no? Like it's Hero itself, I think. That's why I'm feeling like the power is a little bit less with the brake. Huh? So this is the quick walk around. Like almost the appearance is all changed. Loin mo hong sindok kay mamay si all stock to gimana upgrade to one. Like let's talk about this upgrade with Mr. Talk. So that's Mr. Talk. Like good, nice to meet you.
Nice to
and then thank you for lending me your bike. And then see, let's talk about this like front upgrade you have done.
Upgrade?
Yeah, like this is, where did you get it from and like how is it?
This one?
Yeah.
And them and then this knuckle guard.
Yeah.
And this quick throttle I get it from Garage OS.
Okay.
Kerala.
Okay, from Kerala. Like maybe like I'll put the link in my description as well, the place.
Their Instagram.
Okay.
Their
And then
Instagram account.
oh, they have this Instagram account.
I ordered through that. And this is from Amazon. This from that.
Okay, this upgrade is from Amazon. Like yellow is better than white, practically, no? Like it's a very nice upgrade.
This one.
Yeah.
The light is not good when driving at night. So.
Okay. So you need to upgrade this one then.
Huh?
Or else you need the fog lamp now.
Yes,
for
yes.
for this. So this front visor, and then the knuckle guard, and then the quick throttle.
Yeah.
Like
handlebar, I got it from that Outrider's Point.
Outrider's Point. Nambol. Okay, like that's, what's the brand name of this handlebar?
Barrel exhaust handlebar.
Barrel exhaust handlebar.
2018.
Okay, that. What's the benefit for putting this quick throttle?
Quick throttle.
Yeah.
It's more aggressive.
More aggressive, no? Okay. Like, what's the whole cost like of your upgradation?
I don't exactly count, but I think it's 10k plus.
10k plus. Yeah. Like, what are the other upgrades you have done in this bike?
It's a tilt ID from Flipkart, I think.
Okay, this one, like, okay.
Update, number plate.
Yeah. One good point about this high mounted exhaust is like you can drive through waters as well. No, that's the plus point. Like practically, it's really like good bike for off-roading. Serve the purpose. I mean, no, very practical. Like in case of Himalayan though, like it's very heavy. What you had an Himalayan? Like what was the experience?
Xpulse is good for off-road, better than Himalayan.
Yeah.
On road, I think Himalayan
like cruising long distance and all. No, like, it's the best Himalayan.
This on road, it's a bit light because of the
lightweight. No, lightweight body. Okay, like it has a kick also, Kickstarter. Like one plus point, like you know, when you break down, like like during winter season, usually like the battery goes down, no? Becomes dead, so it's very necessary. Okay, suspension like for this bike, I feel like it's okay only.
That really good. That suspension.
The rally kit suspension.
It's really good.
Like how much does the rally kit cost? The whole rally kit?
Oh, I think 45 something.
45. Oh.
We can adjust here that we can make it more soft. That for rally kit.
Okay, for soft and hard, like you can adjust, right?
Or off-road.
Ah, that's really nice. Like it's a whole package, no? Like it's really nice.
petrol is really good.
Really, actually, I saw the video from Mr. G. I think that's it. Not much to say. I am the loi cover tower brand khala feel I did the sing na specs nung kai ga di mayam no sa Google do zum aina han sin sin dum hai ko ai di Google noi specs to Google do loi yeng ba yai ba adu bo si gi pot ma gi real feel do de na ha pet compare to ra ga noi chang do khanga ga di si power mai na ora si to word do ha pet lai ba zum mating bang bo oi ba ai da na ka na sigumba upgrade masa so ai to link to description na thadaram ge and I'll leave Mr. Wilson Talks description and I'll leave Mr. Talk. His channel is on his channel name is Wheels of Talk, and I'll leave his link in the description below. And that's it for today, guys. Like sidagi de koi si kainara ni kainara ga I hope like daka iba khara mention tawbra haina khale awat pale ga so mayam na ai su tammi benina makata abdo haibiro like on the comment section. Share it to your friends, and for new viewers please do subscribe and press the bell icon and notification to phang na ba. Like thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye. Yeah, my cameraman is up there.
So see you in the next video again.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay. What is also
Oh,
9696.
this is nice, no? The number. Like you paid extra.
Huh?
Did you
Yeah,
pay
yeah,
extra?
yeah.
1800 extra, no?
Huh?
You paid 1800 rupees extra.
No, not 18.
How much?
7,000.
7,000. That's too.
Bye bye.
Bye 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 bye.